there's been much comment and say that the infrastructures, military infrastructures, and the programs that we are initiating will make us a target for China. Are we not already a target for China? So I think that what we have to be thinking about is protecting the Philippines.
Pinawi ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pangamba na maaaring pag-initan muli ng Beijing ang Pilipinas sa pinaplano ng Amerika na pagtatayo ng ammunition hub. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, walang ibang iniisip ang pamahalaan kundi ang maprotektahan ang mga Pilipino. Sa press briefing ni PBBM kasama si US President Donald Trump sa Oval Office sa White House, sinabi ng Pangulo na mahalaga ito sa Pilipinas lalo na sa modernisasyon ng hukbong sandatahan.
What we consider part of the modernization of the Philippine military is really as a response to the circumstances that surround the situation around the South China Sea.
Bahagi rin anya ito ng pagtulong ng US para makatayo sa sariling paa ang Pilipinas sa pagtatanggol sa anumang banta sa seguridad.
This is actually the United States is assisting the Philippines in what we call our self-reliance defense program, which is to allow us to be self-reliant and to be able to stand our own 2 feet, whatever the circumstances that occur in the future.
Ayon naman kay US President Trump, ang panukalang pasilidad ay magbibigay sa Pilipinas at Estados Unidos ng mas maraming ammunition kaysa sa anumang bansa.
We'll have more ammunition than any country has ever had. We're going to have more missiles than any country has ever had. We're going to have all the speedy missiles. We'll have the speedy ones, the slow ones, the accurate ones, the ones that are slightly less accurate. We have everything.
Ayon naman kay Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro, malaki rin ang maitutulong ng planong ammunition hub para mapalakas ang kalakalan at makalikha ng trabaho para sa mga Pilipino.
Depending on the scale, initially about 200 to 300 people, highly technical people. But then there are downstream industries. Of course, they will have to build access to port facilities. It will regenerate revenue on a commercial basis for Subic.
Inaasahang itatayo ang ammunition manufacturing facility sa Subic na bahagi ng Luzon Economic Corridor na isa namang funded development ng Washington. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.